Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the incredible journey of Warren Buffett, who isn't just a music sensation, but also the guy who turned his passion into massive wealth. It's not complicated. It's the Warren Buffett Guide to Getting Rich, and we're breaking it down step by step. Like what most people say, success doesn't come in an instant. It takes time and patience to succeed in life. People see success as having a lot of money, and that can be earned through good investments, a successful business, and many more. But in order to get a lot of money, you need consistent routine and workflow. This is why we will be talking about how one of the world's richest billionaires spends a normal day. Guys, welcome to the channel. We have some exciting things to talk about in this video, and the topic we will be looking at today is a day in the life of Warren Buffett. But before we dive into this video, got a question for you. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If you are missing out on quite a lot here, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will not miss any of our upcoming videos. Anyways, like I said in the beginning, let's dive right into it. Warren Buffett, also known as Warren Edward Buffett, is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is currently the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He's considered one of the most successful investors in the world and has a net worth of over $100.6 billion as of April 2021, making him the world's 7th wealthiest person, with them having that much money. It really makes us wonder how he spends his days. Let's find out. We are going to start with how he spends his mornings. It may come a little unexpected, but Warren both. It is an early riser. Despite his age and the stereotype of rich people being able to wake up whenever they want, his day starts at 6:45 a.m. after getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. According to an interview, instead of getting coffee, he drinks an ice-cold Coca-Cola can in order to feel a bit of action to start his day. Apparently, 1/4 of Warren's calorie intake from food and drinks comes from the consumption of soda. He drinks up to 5 cans of soda each day, and that number can only go higher. That may seem pretty unhealthy, which is true. Now let's dive into his breakfast. For his morning meal, the man regularly visits the local McDonald's. However, despite having the ability to purchase every McDonald's franchise in the state, Mr. Buffett is so frugal that he lets the market dictate his appetite. Now, you might be wondering, this is such an unhealthy diet. You're right to wonder about that. But Buffett reveals that he looked at some statistics and learned that 6-year-olds had the lowest death rate. So he decided to eat like one, going further through his routine. During the afternoon, Warren gets right to work. The man explains that he spends most of his days in his office reading the majority of the information he reads, according to the Oracle, are related corporate financials, market documents, financial publications, and investor reports. He does, however, devote some time to reading newspapers and books. Buffett favors newspapers over television news, and his favorite magazines include the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, Financial Times, and Omaha World Herald. Unlike other billionaires like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett pretty much spends a very chill afternoon. Now, what makes Warren Buffett such a great investor is that he's always been consistent, and he assesses things carefully. Warren Buffett stands up to his reputation as a value expert when it comes to investing. The man sifts through financial statements and reports, reaching back as far as he can in a company's history. Then he assesses the company's progress and potential growth strategy before making any financial decision. The investor considers things very carefully. Now, in the evenings, both had famously stated that his goal each day is to make the best choice as possible. Jeff Bezos follows the same technique, and the two are among the world's wealthiest men. Bezos, on the other hand, says he aspires to make 3 good decisions every day, and Buffett argues that if he makes 3 good decisions in a year, he's doing well. Buffett is well known for sticking to his schedule, and he gets angry when others cause it to mess up. He arrives home from work between 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock p.m. every day. On his way home, he might stop at a drive-thru for a bite to eat. Buffett claims to place a high priority on his sleep. He goes to bed about 10 o'clock p.m., reads for about half an hour, and then falls asleep around 10:45 p.m. As a conclusion, Buffett has a pretty interesting life that is fairly basic and comparable to that of a 6-year-old, but with the responsibility of the world's most successful investor. Alright guys, so unfortunately, this video has come to an end. That is it on a day in the life of Warren Buffett. Since you guys have reached here, I just want to remind you to subscribe so you will not miss any of our future videos. Trust me, you will not regret it. Also like the video, as it helps us beat the YouTube algorithm and let this topic be delivered to more people. And lastly, share this video so we could inform others with that. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.